Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
He always tries to work through difficult situations. I need to freshen up this shirt before wearing it. She tucked away her keys somewhere in the house. Don't forget to kick in your shoes before entering. The chef will whip up a new dish for tonight's menu. He needs to rein in his anger before it gets worse. Could you pencil in a meeting for tomorrow afternoon? I need to clear out my old clothes to make space. The children like to scatter around their toys everywhere. The students were asked to hand in their essays. She decided to walk out of her job after the argument. We need to hammer out a solution to this problem. He should tidy up his hair before the interview. She toted in her shopping bags to her room. They will hash out their vacation plans soon. He needs to straighten up his bedroom before the guests arrive. She broke in the news to her friends last night. We should sort out the details before starting. The new teacher needs to set up her classroom. Could you carve out the cake for me, please? He will feed in the information to the team tomorrow. They decided to give out the project halfway. She leaned on the bookshelf against the wall. He will look over the paperwork later today. Could you please turn off the light? She always likes to bounce off her ideas. He stumbled upon a solution to the problem yesterday. We need to address this issue at the next meeting. Could you please buckle up your seatbelt?
Thanks for watching.